Hello, I'm Gary Phillips of Maverick Diagnostics, and I'm going to introduce you to the new Mentor Refrigerant Identifier. The Mentor has been developed, designed and manufactured in the UK. It's ergonomically designed, it's very easy to use and handle. It's ideal for working with under a bonnet on a car. As you may know, in the 1990s, we changed refrigerants in the automotive industry from R12 to 134A. Now, in 2020, we've just changed over in 2017 to using 1234YF refrigerant to phase out 134A. And of course, the problems that we had in the 1990s are starting again with drop-in replacements. We're also seeing a lot of counterfeit illegal refrigerants imported into Europe and also illegal refrigerant containers as well to try and get the price down. This is starting to cause a major problem in the industry, and when a vehicle arrives in your workshop, if you don't identify what you're working with or what refrigerant is in there, you could just be causing yourself and your customer and your workshop more problems. Also, in your aircon machine, when you take the gas out from the car into your machine, you can also then be contaminating your machine. Now we're using new technology, which means we can transfer the information directly from the Mentor unit to a PC or a laptop, so the information can be transferred into a customer's invoice. So there's no need for a printer if you don't want one. They are available with a separate printer if need be, but this does take away the additional costs of printers for purity identification. Okay, this vehicle has come into the workshop for a full service, including an air conditioning service. But before we attach our air conditioning machine, I want to check the purity of the refrigerant, because I don't want to put contaminated refrigerant into the recharging machine and contaminate all the refrigerant that's in the tank there. So we're just going to do a quick purity test on what actual gas is in the system. Ironically, it's got a 134A sticker under the bonnet, but in many cases we find that's not actually what's in there. So I'm now going to start the process to do a test. Okay, the purging has just finished, so it's cleared all the air out of the lines and out of the air sensor inside the machine. So now all we need to do is connect up, and the Mentor automatically recognises if there's pressure in the system or not. If it has got gas in the system, it will start to analyse, and there it is, it's starting to analyse. If there is no gas in the system, what you'll find then, it just will not go into the analysis. So you've probably got a leak on the system anyway, so that goes into a different procedure again for pressure testing and leak testing. Right, the test is now complete. The Mentor is asking us to disconnect the hose and vehicle connection, and then it will give us the results. And now we can see the results for 99% pure 134A with no other contaminants there. So it's now safe to put our aircon machine onto the vehicle and carry on with the normal servicing procedure to clean the refrigerant and test the system. Okay, once we finish the test itself, we can actually then transfer the information to the printer. In this case, what we're doing is transmitting the information to a laptop. We do the kits where you can actually purchase a printer as part of the kit as well, or to keep the cost down, we can transfer the information by apps to the laptop. As you can see, the information is now all come up into the application. One of the more advanced features of the Mentor Refrigerant Identifier is the software applications we are using on the Windows operating systems. From here we can check the sensors within the systems remotely. We can zero the sensors, do a filter reset, check the pump is working by turning the pump on and off. No other manufacturer has this facility, and it gives us and our distributors the opportunity to check
units where people feel they may have a fault or not, and we can actually identify if there is a fault or not remotely for anywhere in the world. So I'm Gary Phillips from Maverick Diagnostics. Thank you very much for watching this short video, and I hope that it helps reduce problems in your workshops and with your equipment. Thank you.